Hi there, welcome to Crypto Gems. In this video, we are going to talk about everything you need to know about Ethernity Chain. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe to watch more of such cryptocurrency video. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. So please do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrencies out there. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below. So this is the website of Ethernity. You can access it by going to ethernity.io, and it is the world's first authenticated unlicensed NFT platform which has been trusted by over 150k plus members. You can click over here to sign up, or you can click over here to go to their marketplace, which is over here. Over here you're going to see all the NFTs they have with different sportsmen on the NFT, which is pretty cool, and you can click one of them and make a purchase of the NFT if you are interested in it. You can click over here, select and buy to go forward with the process. All of these NFTs have already been sold out, so that's pretty amazing. So essentially how it works is that you have to sign up, you have to shop the authenticated NFTs, and you have to pay with ERN or ETH to get hold of an NFT. So one of the things I do want to point out is their giveaway that is starting now, and you can earn $10,000 in ERN is up for the grabs. So you can join their Discord to enter this giveaway. The giveaway runs on November 22nd to 29th, and afterward the winner will be selected from the community itself. To enter this giveaway, you have to retweet this and you have to click over here to join their Discord. So definitely sounds exciting, so go ahead and take part in this giveaway. It's pretty amazing to win $10,000 in ERN. It's just a lot of money, and again I feel this is a good marketing strategy as well, because this project will have a lot of following and gain more popularity as well. There's also a DeLorean drop live that's gonna happen soon. So in DeLorean X RioCam 1, the camera filters all distraction and emphasizes the timeline design, and the winning bidder of the NFT will receive an infinity object frame, a BTS video, and an invite to the opening of RioCam's gallery in Miami. Not just that, there's also going to be a debut of their mystery box, which is pretty exciting, and there's an Argentina national team partnership that's happening, and the airdrop of that project will happen live, so that's pretty exciting as well. Now let's go over the Ethernity 2.0 roadmap just to understand the project a bit more. Here we're going to take a look at the Ethernity 2.0 roadmap just to understand the project a bit more better. In the Q1 of next year, there were a few things we were focusing on. So Ethernity V2 website upgrade, pre-register for Metaverse, Ethernity Packs, mobile app launch, direct staking implementation, PFP FDAR, NFT staking, NFT lending, first white label partnership, cross-chain minting for NFTs, mystery box, reveal and launch, launching the Ethernity merchandise store, major stone event, model upgrade, Eternal Labs launch. In the Q2 of 2022, we're going to be focusing on launching the iCandy.io. We're going to be focusing on multi-chain interoperability with low gas fees for farming, staking, and lending. You're going to be also focusing on development of P2E game phase, launching the virtual world and members club metaverse. And not just that, we're going to be focusing on PFT Avatar project. We'll have wearables, weapon, vehicles. There'll also be social marketplace using reward badges, stars, leaderboards. There'll be second white label partnership, more CEX listing for ERN. And in the Q3 of 2022, we'll have social and fan token partnership reveal. They'll be focusing on launching Fanable.io, augmented reality. There'll be trustless, decentralized NFT trading marketplace, which is iCandy, artist submission, community voting for ERN holders to connect them with notable figures for collaborative work, private auctions exclusively for Stone and ERN holders across all three platforms, and more CEX listing on ERN. And finally, in the Q4, there'll be real-world auction sites and gallery locations, which is pretty amazing. There'll be real-world experiences, claim page via ticketing and merchandise, NFT DAO Vault Index, NFT peer-to-peer trading. There'll be a launch of mobile app for Fanable.io, PFP Avatar Project 3D model claim, the third white label partnership, more listing for ERN, and airdrop a portion of all the new P2E gaming token to all the ERN holders, And last but not the least, launch of the Eternal Metaverse and utilizing your NFTs and avatars. So considering all of this, this project looks very bullish and very promising because it has a lot of things to look forward to, especially for the next year. And it still seems like it's still in its very early stages. So I'm really excited to see how everything turns out. So that's pretty much it. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below. If you do have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.